Are you ready to bring your artistic visions to life with stunning, consistent characters? Meet Fooocus AI, an advanced tool designed for creating realistic art with precision and ease. Whether you're working on illustrations, storytelling, or game designs, Fooocus AI ensures your characters remain visually consistent and captivating. Here's a step-by-step guide to using Fooocus AI. Step 1. Access Fooocus AI. Begin by visiting the Fooocus AI website and signing up for an account. The platform offers a simple interface, perfect for beginners and pros alike. Step 2. Outline your character concept. Think about your character's traits, appearance, personality, and backstory. Fooocus AI allows you to input these details, helping the tool craft a design tailored to your creative goals. Step 3. Choose a style. Fooocus AI offers various artistic styles, such as hyper-realistic, cartoonish, or fantasy. Select one that fits your project's theme to set the foundation for your character design. Step 4. Customize your character. Dive into customization. Adjust facial features, hairstyles, body proportions, clothing, and accessories. Fooocus AI uses cutting-edge algorithms to maintain consistency across all iterations. Step 5. Save and export. Once satisfied, save your character and export the design in your preferred format. Fooocus AI supports high-resolution outputs for use in animations, comics, or print. With Fooocus AI, creating realistic and consistent characters has never been more intuitive. Explore its features today and elevate your art to the next level. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. Thanks for watching.